Hi, my name is Johnson and you're welcome back to CorieTips. Today I'm doing a Val's makeup look for you guys. It is a cut crease and I'm really loving this hair. Aren't you? Loving it as much as I am. This is my first time of doing my hair like this. So I already primed my face and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in ebony for my brows. I'm brushing it on with this BH Cosmetics angle brush and I really love how soft this brush is. I am going to just make sure that I make feathery strokes so that my brows look as natural as possible. And I'm using my Maybelline foundation in Warm 356. It is actually warm coconut. I'm using it to define my brows, and I'm also going to make sure that that part looks as natural as possible. It is the color of my face. I'm using LA Girl Warm Honey for the highlighted area of my brow bone. And just making sure that I put a reasonable amount on my brow bone just to create some highlights. So I'm patting the same concealer on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow can sit on it properly. And using the same foundation in Maybelline for the upper part of my brow so that it can just blend into my skin. I'm using my Huda Beauty cosmetic eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this brown color. It's kind of bright. So it's almost like my skin color, as you cannot really see that I'm applying something on my lid. And I'm using a darker shade, a darker brown. It has like a orange tint in it. And I'm just putting it on my crease. I'm just going to make sure that I blend properly and also use this burgundy color. It is not a very dark burgundy. It's just to create some transition before I cut my crease. You want to make sure that you blend, and there we go. I am cutting my crease now. At this point my camera already stopped working, so I didn't show you guys the process of cutting this crease, but I'll show you on the second eye. So there we go. I am about to cut my crease. So I'm starting out with the inner corner of my crease and just gradually cutting it in an arc shape and blending it out just so that it is a smooth canvas, and then blending the outer part of my crease as well. And back to this eye where I'm applying that same burgundy to contour the outer corner of my crease further. I'm doing the same on this side as well. And then I'm using this Juvia's Place Magic Palette. I'm using that bright beigey eyeshadow. The light in here is quite bright, so you might not really see the color, but as you can see now, it looks like it's a beige color. It has no shimmer at all. So I'm just going to keep patting it gradually, and so that it doesn't go out of the line. That's the cut that I made on my crease. And also make sure that I blend it in properly. So I'm applying a little bit more burgundy on the outer part of my crease as well. We aren't doing anything too intense in terms of using dark colors. Just apply a little bit more and make sure you blend properly so that there aren't any ash lines. So I'm using my BH Cosmetics eyeliner. It is a matte eyeliner. I really like the eyeliner. It's really nice. I hope to get another one pretty soon. I'm trying to make this look as simple as possible, even though it's kind of dramatic because it's a cut crease. I'm making sure that I do not line my eyes too bold, because I want to keep it simple. And then I'm using this Mabrouk black kohl pencil on the lower part of my eyelid. I hardly put anything under my eyelid because I have very sensitive eyes. My eyes are quite dry. And then I'm using my Mabrouk mascara to just brush my eyelashes. And then I'm lining my eyes actually with a glue. I cannot remember the name of the eyelash glue, but I'm using this brown golden kind of glitter. It is a chunky glitter, and I'm just putting it on the glue that I lined at the upper part of my eyeliner, the black eyeliner. And then I'm also going back to that same burgundy and I'm applying it under my eyelids just to give it some more color. And then I'm also using this whitish glitters. It is the glitters are really small, but it has other sparkling colors in it, like red, blue, what do you call, maybe green. And I'm also back to my foundation. I'm applying it. I had to speed up this particular process. This process is not a fun process for me. Like, this is the part that I dread the most when it comes to makeup application, applying foundation. Okay, so I am blending it on my forehead, and here I am using the same LA Girl concealer in Warm Honey. On my face, I'm applying on the highlighted area on my forehead and my chin, and I'm just going to make sure that I blend. You guys, you wanna keep blending. Don't mind me, you just have to make sure that you blend as much as you can. So there we go, let's keep blending. So I'm blending my forehead. Just want to make sure that you blend, and I'm applying Sacha Butter cosmetic powder on my face, the highlighted area, the same areas that I highlighted earlier, and just applying it, you know, making sure that I also apply some at my cheek, the lower part of my cheeks, and also using this black opal powder because my bronzer broke, so this color is quite dark for me to use to contour the areas that I need to contour. And we're just gonna dust out all the excess powder all over my face. And also using this Milani powder. I really love this powder. It gives me a very matte finish. Like, you can apply this powder even without foundation and you're good to go, you know. So I'm applying it all over, and then I'm also using this highlighter from Health Cosmetics. I really like that soft glow it gives me. It depends on the intensity you want, you know. You can apply more if you want it more loud, but I like it really subtle. So it just gives me this glowy finish. And I'm also using this classic makeup blush. I really like it. I'm just making sure that I put a very little amount because the color is very bright, like the intensity is high. So I'm using this Zaron pencil in Vivid. I think this is my new go-to pencil. I'm in love with it, and I hope to get more pencils from Zaron pretty soon. So I'm using it to line my lips. And I'm using this Luxe lipstick from BH Cosmetics. It is very pink, like seriously pink. I just want to make sure that you blend, you know. You can't just apply stuff without blending it. Don't mind me, guys. You know, the beauty about makeup is that you can blend and then everything just sinks or infuse into each other, you know, like you're creating like a light and shade. And I'm also using this Rimmel London Fix and Go. And guys, I'm good to go. What's for the evening with Valentine's Day? Thank you so much. I really love the outcome of this look. Like, I'm really feeling myself, isn't it? I really love this look. Thank you. Love you guys. Please feel free to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you think. Bye. Happy vows.